Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a roasted chicken and vegetables in the oven recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have whole chicken, a slice of corn, cut carrots, potatoes, zucchinis, and a slice of red onion, 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, half squeezed lemon juice, whole unpeeled garlic cut into half, a piece of lemon, the other half slice, and the other half leaf, and some rosemary. Let's get started. With our roasting pan, let's put in all our prepared vegetables. And let's add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and paprika, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and mix them well. Done, and set aside. Now let's dry our chicken using drying paper. And done drying. Using our thin knife, let's make some holes. Making holes helps to absorb all the ingredients. This makes our chicken more delicious. And done. Now let's rub some salt all over the chicken, the inside part. The other side. And done. Now let's pour in our melted butter, our chicken. Rub. And let's pour also our prepared squeezed lemon. Put half teaspoon of paprika powder. And let's rub all over our chicken. And done. Now let's fill inside the half lemon, half unpeeled garlic, and our prepared rosemary. And done. Now let's close the tie. And done. And let's add our seasoned chicken to our prepared vegetables. And let's add our sliced lemon, the remaining rosemary, and the half cut garlic. And done. With our preheated oven with 220 heat temperature, let's roast our chicken and vegetables for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And after 1 hour and 15 minutes, let's check our roasted chicken and vegetables. Wow, smells delicious. And done. And our delicious roasted chicken and vegetables are done. Let's serve it in a serving plate. And our delicious roasted chicken and vegetables in the oven recipe is ready to serve.